Hey guys, today I am going to unbox a new product which I bought from Flipkart, which is Poco C3. So let's get started. This is the box. You can see which is lemon green. I bought 3GB and 32GB. You can see the box. Here this is the Poco C3 logo. Now don't waste our time. Let's open the box and see what's in it. You can see the specification which I get from this phone. The processor is 2.3 GHz octa-core processor, MediaTek Helio G35. This is the phone. Poco C3. Nice win. I am very exciting about this phone. So at first we get the phone, and this is the some documentation and the warranty card. Poco with a SIM ejector pin. You know it, so I can't see this. I can't show this. This is the adapter, which is not a fast charger, 5 volt 2 ampere, a 10-watt charger. The data cable is, oh no, the data cable is micro USB, not type C. Let's this product. Put these things at the side. Now we came our new product, which is Poco. Let's fast boot. MediaTek 12. Please wait. Phone is booting first time. Here it is MediaTek 12 out of the box. I'm very excited about this. Let's talk about the ports and buttons. On the top of the button we can see the 3.5 mm headphone jack, and the right of the side is volume key and the power on off button. The left side we get the SIM slot. Please wait some time. I check, is it the, and we get 3.5 we get USB type port and speaker grill, and also it is a mic. So let's set up. Please wait. Okay, I choose classic. I think it is great. It's my choice. You can choose limitless. Loading apps. This wait some time. This is the menu. Smooth UI, MIUI. Nice phone. So let's see the camera, which is the highlight of this phone. Agree. Hello. The main camera is 13 megapixel. The main camera is 13 megapixel. It has three cameras. One 30 megapixel, one 2 megapixel, and 2 megapixel depth sensor, which helps portrait mode. Macro camera, macro lens. Wait, I see you the camera sample. This is the macro lens, which is 2 megapixel. So this is a small unboxing. If you like the video, then please like it and subscribe our channel, and please comment and share. Thank you for see this video.